YouTube, welcome back, Haunt fanboy. It's a rainy ass day today. We are at Menards. They're sort of like a big box store, like a Lowe's or a Home Depot. They always have some really cool Halloween stuff. They do Limax for like super cheap. You will not get Limax cheaper anywhere else than Menards. And if you see something you like in the store, if you run into a Code Orange today, I called. They're supposed to have some stuff out. You can always look them up online because I do believe they ship. So let's go up in there and see what kind of Halloween stuff they've got for us today. Okay, YouTube, serious, Code Orange, they did not disappoint. Look at this stuff, man. We got animatronics out. We got a massive ass dragon, the 79-inch Brimstone Dragon for $329. It's got hard plastic feet, kind of hollowy. Looks like he's got a hard plastic chest, and man, he's gonna be about 6 feet tall, man. He's freaking huge, man. Come on, big boy, what do you do? Come on. Maybe he's not plugged in or something. There's this big box down here, $329. Oh, we got the werewolf. Check him out. Let me back up. So he's got like purple eyes? Man, the digital eyes are the end thing. He's got really nice feet, hard plastic, fur. Oh, look at this guy. He's going off. He's got some fire effect on him. Come on, werewolf, cut me some slack. Okay, so that's the 90-inch Smoldering Ghoul with the flame effect. Again, hard plastic feet. Oh, he's got clown shoes just like Spirit Halloween props. But this guy has full feet underneath him, which is cool. So the 78-inch Snarling Werewolf is $299, 9-inch for the Smoldering Ghoul, and look at this big sumbitch. Oh my god. What is with everybody getting in on the 12-footers, man? Look at him. 12-foot animated Reaper. Try me. You're damn right we're gonna try you. Well, I gotta back up. He's huge. Oh, I gotta hit it again. He's a big bastard.
I have so many souls to take. Your soul is next.
Wow, he must say a couple of phrases. He's huge, man. They got some big animatronics this year. 12 foot, $399. The Smoldering Ghoul, $349. There we go. Really cool flame effect, but he looks great in the dark. Snarling Werewolf's going off. Man, I wonder if they're going to add more. Hit us up, fellas. Hit us up. All right. $349, $329. I really wish the dragon would go. He's kind of cool. The Brimstone Dragon, $79. Let's see what else they got here, man. They got stuff all over the place. Okay, so I'm right across from the animatronics. I did see these. These guys are those super thin Ben Cooper things you put over your porch lights. They got a skull version for $4.99, and they've got a pumpkin version. They're real thin. Looks like you put a single screw in the top or something, or a little way to hold them, a string or something like that. But man, they've got stuff scattered, so we're gonna roll. Let's go see what they got. Okay, so they've got the inflatables right underneath the animatronics. Got a dragon for $60. 3 guys in a pumpkin for $80. Let's see, they've got, what is this guy? A little vampire with a stump and an axe. Those guys are $80 too. LED ghost, inflatable dragon, a big Reaper archway. Big Reaper archway is $159. Looks like the dragon is $149. So they've got inflatables too. Looks like they got short little 4-foot mummy guy for $25. What's this little guy do? I think they had him last year. Now he's solid resin, man. He's heavy, so he's not gonna blow off your porch. He's got a little lantern here. Looks like you put a tea light or something in there. Does he get light up? Is he static? What does he do? Let's see what he's got on the bottom. Okay, so it looks like there's some kind of battery pack down there, so he lights up. I just don't want to break that sumbitch while I'm here. But how much is he? So he's $49 for the skeleton with the little lantern. Put your own tea light in there. Little blow mold pumpkin. Just plugs in the back. $54 for an 18-inch blow mold pumpkin. This guy is a 24-inch skeleton. He's got a little plug-in in the back. And this little guy is $25. No, $66. He's 24 inches tall. That's insane, man. That'll blow right off your porch. Okay, we got the flamingos everybody's seen for years. These guys are $13.47. All right, we're gonna keep on creeping. Let's see what else they got. They got some fall stuff. We don't really care about fall, so let's go over here to the evil stuff. All right. We got little brooms for $16.99. Little skellies for $4. These are the hard plastic ones, but they're pretty thick, so they're good quality. $8.99 for these little guys. What do? Oh, they glow. They got a little tab in their head. LED lights. Oh, they got a bride. What little bride? She's $4. $4. Okay, they got little skellies. These guys are $13 for little skellies, so that's kind of cool. They're 35 inches tall. Yeah, your standard little skellies. They got a bunch of glitter bomb crap that I'm not touching. Let's see, pumpkin lights for $24. 30-inch branch light for $24. Little sappy vampire for $2.99 for felt. What else they got? Witches. Mummies? What is this guy? Oh, little skelly. I think we got that one a couple of years ago. Alright, let's wander around and see what else they got. Oh, wait. Try me, and so we shall. Nothing. You frickin' trick bag. These guys are $10.99 for the hanging ghouls, and they do nothing. Pull me, and I will. Okay, so they're multi. Alright, shut them off to kill the battery. These little hanging guys are 36 inches, and they're $10.99. So, not too bad. Let's jump in and see what else they got. Wow, so they got a bunch of these little characters. There's like a little animated witch. These guys are all about maybe 36 inches tall or so. Looks like the little animatronics as her mouth moves. They got a ghost. You can see his little face back there. Check him out. There's a little skull or something underneath there. Is that a try me button? Try me? Try me? What do you do, Gypsy? What do you do? Man, I can't get these guys to work. They all got little shoes. Looks like they're $80 a piece. $79, 79. Looks like this little guy, the Scarecrow, is $59. He got a little crow on his shoulder, but he does something. Where is the damn test button? Why do you freaking trick me, you bastards? Try me. I'm trying. Where is your little freaking damn thing? Alright guys, I don't know what the hell they do with their hair. So you got a little trick-or-treater in a hood with the skull face, and he's got a little pumpkin bag, which is pretty cool. A little scarecrow, and I'm sure that scarecrow on his shoulder does something. But these guys are, like I said, 60, 80, 80, 80, and probably 80 for the little witch. Oh, here she goes. Her arms move. Check her out. Okay, cool. She got a great face on her. How do I get this little guy to do? Come here, Gypsy, show me your wares. What do you do? Is that a damn test button? What the hell is that? Can this guy go? Has he got a little thing on his wrist? He's got lights in his face. I know he does something. I don't know how to operate him. Let me try the Scarecrow more time for you guys. Look, little face on him. Obviously, his mouth moves. He has light up eyes. Yeah. This guy's try me button doesn't do anything. All right. So they have little animations that are actually pretty damn cool. They got a bunch of them. Okay, we got the Dragon Skellies this year, $5.99. This is a little different, cool wing design. These little guys are $6. Looks like they got the unicorns. They got an owl. The owl's pretty cool. Oh, shit. My bad. I'm sorry, Mr. Owl. I'm sorry. Put you back in your box. The owl's a different design. Little dragons with the little wings. They got more back there. $2.99 for these guys. So they got the rats. Little snakes. You cannot reposition these guys. If you do, you'll break them. But they got rats for $3, so you can't beat that. And more snakes for $2. Spiders for $3.50. About $3.50. Oh, they got the bottom. So these are unlike the Dollar Tree spiders that are. These are completely covered and they're not hollow on the bottom. So these are your good spiders for $3.50 from Menards. All right, you got the big snakes. $8.99. How long are these guys? Did I tell you? These are fully posable. The mouth's open. How much are these guys? $8.99. I can't tell how long they are. I think these guys are 3-footers, man. What else you got? Little skulls you stab in the ground. Make little pimp staffs out of them. So that's pretty cool. These guys are $9.99 right there. And they're static. They don't light up, but it's a cool hand if you want to take the skull off and do something else with it. We got $20 coffins down here. They do something. They dance. Okay, we got some Irene Cara. What's the mermaid do? Oh, Irene Cara again. All right. Looks like they got the phone back. We all know what that does for 35 bucks. Okay, across the aisle, we got the dolls. The dolls are 20 bucks. I think this is an old spirit doll. She's got a good face. This little boy's jacked up boy. Ooh, look at him. Them blacked out eyes. She's creepy as all hell. So dolls are 20 bucks. This one's, I think I like this one the most. It's kind of blackened eyes and bloody mouth. That's creepy as shit for $20. They got the pineapples back. These are great except for the glitter herpes HIV stem. That's horrific. But they're only 17 bucks. Okay, 17 bucks for the hourglass. Man, that's heavy. I don't understand the yogas and skeletons. What the hell do skeletons yoga for? And look, right next to the damn yoga skeletons are the goddamn gnomes. They're back again for $10 and they're freaking drenched in goddamn herpes glitter. I don't understand the gnomes. Gnomes, go away. What else do they got? Nightmare Before Christmas. What are these little guys? Light up pumpkin guys? What do they do? Show me your wares, Gypsy. Show me your wares. I don't know. That's pretty creepy. Nightmare Before Christmas. I think these are what, lock, stock, and barrel or something. So these guys are $6 a piece. They light up. Oh, they got gold resin skulls for $8.99, and they got black skulls that are kind of obsidian looking. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got. We got a bunch of little creepy trick-or-treaters over here. Oh, they're bobbleheads. Check these guys out. These guys are 10 bucks. They got a little zombie who's pretty cool. A little ghost. I dig him. And they brought back the little vintage characters from last year for 12 bucks a piece. Some of these guys are 14. So they got cats, they got mummies, cat holding the bat, this little pumpkin guy's holding a skull. They got the cat from last year. They got the pumpkin holding the owl, and the little skeleton guy with the little pumpkin. So these were a pretty big hit last year. They went pretty damn fast. So not bad for 12 bucks. And then these guys are more for 15. I think they got mummies too that kind of light up or something. And these are ceramic. They're kind of lightweight, so it's like they got holes in them here and there for light to go through. I bet you just a little white light, so that's a little different. And they got the little books for $12.99. Potions, poisons, cures. Pumpkins, just little blacklight pumpkins for 10 bucks. I like the white one. The white one's cool. These are actually pretty heavy resin. What do they guys do? Are you multis? Oh, the white one's all red. He looks cool, man. Check him out. I don't know if they have different lights. I don't want to pull the tags. I don't want to waste batteries for people. More skeletons. See no evil, hear no evil. 7 bucks. They got Batwing potion bottles. 2 different sizes. Witches powders for 17. Oh, they brought these guys back. These tall mummies. These guys are like 56 bucks a piece. I think they're about 2 feet tall or so. And their eyes light up white. And they're like pretty heavy ceramics. These guys could be on a porch and be cool. Got 2 different versions. They got Big Head here, Big Head Todd. And these guys are both 56 bucks. But those are actually really cool. Put a nice little stain on them and they look great on your porch as little mummies. They got some little bobblehead witches. How much are the witches? 24 for the witches. Alright. We're gonna creep over here. They got the little purple trees for 50 bucks. They got a 3 stack of plastic skulls. Now these are pretty lightweight, pretty thin, $44.99, so I'm sure they light up. What do they do? Okay, there's the light. Is there a tiny button? Okay, so they got red lights. Let's back up and see them. Okay. Red lights, and that's probably close to being 3 feet tall for 44 bucks. So that's not bad. You could throw a paint job on them. Okay, we got ornaments, Herpy Glitter HIV, more HIV. And I think we've seen this row. There's one last row with some masks over there. Let's go check that out. Okay, so I did find they have some plastic cauldrons for $6.99, $6.69, basically the same ones you get like at Home Depot, Walmart, anywhere else. And here are their masks. These are kind of cool, $6. They're super thin, Ben Cooper style, but they're metallic. So they got a gold robot of some kind, orange pumpkin, and a chrome skull. Well, they got hockey masks for $2.50. Not too bad. Real thin, flimsy stuff. And looks like they got rubber masks too. These are really cool. They're $8. These are like these EVA dragon masks. They're really cool for little kids. You can use them as shoulder pads. They got red. They got blue. They got green. These are awesome for belts or knee pads or armor. Those are awesome, man. I think I have the red one, I think. But they're $8, man. Can't beat that. They got it. How much is it? 15 bucks? I think it's 15 bucks. So they got a latex it for 15, and they got some of these guys for $4.99. Thin plastic with just a little bit of EVA foam in the forehead. All right. Couple of plastic weapons. They're still putting stuff out. Looks like their plastic swords are $7. Get a little scimitar, get a little Braveheart sword, be whooping some ass, walk down the street on Halloween. So, all right, guys. This is Menards. We're going to come and check back. I want to see their Max stuff because they do a big Max collection. And we're going to keep shopping all summer long, man. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.